I'm going to show you how you can easily sign up for Systeme.io affiliate program. First, open Google Chrome and search for Systeme.io. Then enter your email and click here. Here, select whether you already have a business. Next, choose what kind of business you own. Then enter your annual revenue in USD. After that, enter your phone number. Now provide your Systeme.io account email address. Next, open a new tab and go to Gmail. Then click on the email you received from Systeme.io. Now click on the link provided in the email. Here, enter your first and last name. Then enter a password and confirm it by entering it again. After that, verify that you're not a robot by completing the CAPTCHA. Finally, click on Verify. Now, you're all set, and you're signed up for the Systeme.io affiliate program.